Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick salmon for my lunch, okay? Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. Keep watching. I added 1 tablespoon of oil in this pan. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little paprika on the outside. A little garlic powder. Small amount of onion powder. And some sea salt. And that's it. I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Garlic powder, onion powder, and the sea salt. And I'm gonna flip. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook another 2 minutes and it'll be ready. Okay, it's ready to come out of the pan. Here it is. It's beautiful. And it tastes amazing. Oh, it's so good. You have to try this little quick recipe.